Hi, thanks for watching the video of me opening all of our new woodworking tools. And when I say our, I mean mine and my hubby's. He just doesn't know that I'm roping him into this hot mess yet. Surprise! So I got some wood filler, some wood epoxy, and wood hardener. That's an orbital sander, and I purchased it brand new from Amazon, and it came used. The dust cup was already full of dust, and there was an old wheel already on there. Those are the new sanding pads I bought. That's a handsaw. I'm gonna put links to everything in the chat if you guys want anything. I'll also do a follow-up video with plenty of other videos of me using all this stuff if you want to see how everything goes. That was my favorite thing that I'm getting ready to open. It's the countersink drill bit set. It has the drill bits with the countersinks, and then it also had a separate set of just countersinks in it. I had to laugh at that one because that's just dustpans and brooms. Obviously, very small. That's to help with moving the logs around and setting them upright to be able to cut them easier so they're not on the ground. It was really heavy, and it seemed like real high quality metal, and it was pretty tough to screw together. This is my first video, so I was trying to not look like a weakling when I was screwing it together, but definitely very good quality as far as just putting it together. You'll see in next videos how well it works. Yep, struggling a little bit right there, but it went together. And I also didn't have tools with me at the moment to tighten the bolts down, but they're together now and ready to be used. That's the part that'll just sit on the ground like it is to hold the log upright off the ground so that you can use your chainsaw to cut it better, so that your chainsaw blade's not hitting the ground. And that's what'll grab onto the log so you can move it around easier. And or hold it upright so that your chainsaw blade's not hitting the ground. The next thing is the chainsaw I bought. It's the Salem Master Pro. My friend spent quite a bit of time looking online and reading reviews for me, and he said that one seems to be the best one, especially for the money. It was either $125 or $150. Like I said, I'll put the link in the chat, but it has really high reviews and ratings. And again, you'll see us use it very soon. Obviously came with the bar. That one had a 20-inch bar with it. A few little tools. Had a sharpener for the chain. Also came with an extra rope. Two-year warranty. That was the chain. Cute little gas can. Those are different wheels that go on the grinder to, the reason I bought them was to, like, after you peel the bark off, just to get more of that area cleaned up and cleaned off. I also seen videos of people using them to kind of like dig out the wood if you're gonna make bowls, or just if you need like a lot of wood removed in areas. They're pretty heavy duty grinders. Grinder discs. So this one, again, we spent some time looking for a good price point on a chainsaw mill, and this is what we bought. And I did watch the review of it. I only found one other person on YouTube doing the review, and he didn't actually buy like that top piece that I'm getting ready to grab. That's the bar that'll go down the log. He just bought the chainsaw mill, which is that next box. And the entire time the guy was complaining that the directions absolutely sucked. So I'm like, you know what? Like, I'm gonna put it together in this video. We'll roll with it. Hope all goes well. Yeah, the directions suck really bad. I get some of the parts out and I'm like, I'm just gonna push through this and get it done. And it just gets worse and worse. So I ended up packing it back up, and in another video when I can print out pictures of it and try to put it together off the pictures, I'll put it together from online pictures. But yeah, supposedly it works really well. Those things were pretty cool looking. They have like big spikes on the end of them. But like I said, in that other guy's review, he said it works great. Just getting it together is kind of the trick. It has its own bag of tools. All the nuts and bolts are just in one baggie, all mixed up together. Yep, the bag of everything together. At this point, I'm just like, oh my god, I want to get this together for this video. And then I'm just like, not gonna happen. So I'll do another one, like I said, once I print out like pictures off Amazon of what it's supposed to look like together, so that I can try to match it up and get it together. But yeah, that's the chainsaw mill and bar that comes with it. Thanks again for watching. Appreciate it. If you want to see more videos of our crazy adventure, please subscribe. We do already have some basic tools. Those are just the extra ones that I didn't have and needed or wanted. And here's the beautiful logs that we have to mill up. And that's only about half of it. Thank you guys.